Here is again your favorite ChopChopChef. Today I like to do with you, I show you what we're doing with a beautiful lamb rack, right? The lamb rack, we cover this one today with a beautiful herb crust. Yeah. For this one, obviously we need a, what we call it, a nearly French trimmed lamb rack, right? Beautiful, have a look at this one, that's a 4-boner, right? 4 bones, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, that's the maximum for one portion. This baby has around 200 to 220 gram. Before we continue with working on it, we have to sear it very sharply, and that's what we will do now. All right, let's come to the stove. Okay, so now we're on the stove here. Now I have my pan. Again, we need it very hot, and I already seasoned the lamb just with a little bit cracked pepper, as you can see, and salt. But not to forget, I put it as well on the back side, right? So this is the start of the seasoning. Okay. All right, hot pan. As I said, that's the key. Yeah, it's cranking up here quite nicely. And then we sear it. Okay, let's do the easy part first. The bones up like this, like that. Okay, I press it a little bit. Yeah. Not much. I just want to make sure it's all nicely seared. Okay, now we just chill it a little bit, yeah, because we want to have all the sides. There you go, yeah. So you see all the things is nicely seared. Yeah, the cameraman, I mean, he's, you know, a little bit afraid of the splashing fat here. Okay, so that's all what we want to achieve, right? And now we're going back to our workbench. All right, have a look at this, beautiful, that's what we like. All right, now our lamb rack, what we just seared on the stove, right? We taking this one and putting a nice crust to it. Before we do that, right? So we make our, what we call it, mie de peu ready. So we're having here just breadcrumbs. Let's put that on the side for a moment. And put here, so we have some breadcrumbs. Put a nice decent amount here. Yeah, okay. And then I chopped some fresh herbs. This is a little bit mint, yes. Parsley and obviously rosemary, right? So we're mixing this one in here. All of it, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, just mix it a little bit up. Yeah. Okay, so this looks good, this looks good, this looks good. Okay, the next part comes here with our lamb rack, right? Now, to make this breadcrumbs stick on the meat, we brush it with a beautiful Dijon mustard, right? Dijon mustard. Now, when you do this one, please don't take the brush and go in your full glass all the time and brush, then you contaminate it so quickly and this will not last. So I took some of this Dijon mustard in my bowl here, right? Easy done. And now we coat it. What I do is, but not the bones, okay? And not too shy either. Okay, have a look. Okay, so we got it. This is beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, nicely done. Yeah, nothing underneath, obviously, just up to here, and where the bones are starting. Now let's put this on the side, and we bring our breadcrumbs here. Now you will see me rolling it in the breadcrumbs up to here, right? We do not like to have the breadcrumbs on the bones. So lift it, have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look at this beautiful masterpiece from your ChopChopChef. That's what we like, right? Beautiful, crusted with herb and mie de peu breadcrumbs. And this baby goes now in the oven. by 210 degrees. I leave it now for 17 minutes because I want to have mine cooked medium rare, just to medium. Now this is again up to you. If you want to have a piece of meat like that thick, well done, you need it 25 minutes in the oven. But we don't want well done. No. Okay, so I put it in the oven and then we take it out and we have a look. Alrighty. Okay, everybody. Our beautiful lamb rack is now in the oven, 17 minutes, 210 degrees. Yeah, and then I let it rest as well for 3-4 minutes. Okay. Now this is, look at this, beautiful, yeah. We have a nice crust, that's what we want. Let's go on the bench and then we cut it. Let's take our beautiful lamb rack. Very nice. Now, of course, we need a good sharp knife. Yeah, this is one thing. And just to make sure everything is kosher, I'm putting on some gloves. Okay. Let's do that then, hey? Okay. Now this is of course very hot. Now, of course, when you cut it, you can cut them as single cutlet, right? 1, 2, 3, or 4 cutlet. Or what I do, I just cut them in the middle and off we go. All right, so hold it nicely, like that. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice sharp. Now we have it medium rare, we hope so, right? Magic on wheels. No, it's nearly medium, huh? But that is okay, that is good. Now have a look at this, beautiful. What I do is, I always then twist these 2 bones together. You see, look at this, magic. Magic, magic, right? And then this goes on a plate like that. And then normally you put your sauces around, right? Or whatever you like as vegetable. And I tell you what, if this is not a fantastic nice lamb rack with a beautiful bread and herb crust with Dijon glaze. Yeah, have a look at this, have a look at this, have a look at this. It's nearly as pretty as me. All right, thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next week.